Here comes the number train. Choo-choo! Let's roll a dice to see which number we should open. Ready? I rolled the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll use my pink key to open the pink box. Here we go. Ready, set, open. It's a pink pig. Oink, 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 oink.